Class starts. Class starts. Isabel, what time does class start?
Class starts at 8:10 a.m.
Right. Eat lunch. Eat lunch. I eat lunch at 12:30. Isabel, what time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12:30.
School ends at 3:15. School ends at 3:15. Sam, what time does school end?
School ends at 3:15 p.m.
Okay, very good. Leave school. Leave school. I leave school at 5 o'clock. Teresa, what time do you leave school?
I leave school at 3:15 p.m.
Get home. Get home. I get home at 10 after 5. Teresa, what time do you get home?
I get home at 3:30.
Eat dinner. Eat dinner. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Isabel, what time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7:30.
Sam, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
You wake up at 7 o'clock. Oscar, what time does Sam wake up?
Sam wake up at 7 o'clock.
Look, put an S at the end. Sam wakes up at 7 o'clock. Yes, Teresa.
Or he wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. Put the S at the end of wake. He wakes up at 7 o'clock. Isabel, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Sam and Isabel, what time do you wake up?
We
I
wake up at 7 o'clock.
Oscar, what time do they wake up?
They wake up at 7 o'clock.
I know S. You know S. Sam S. He S. She S. We know S. They know S. Oscar, I
eat.
Teresa, you
eat.
Isabel, Maria,
Maria eats.
Sam She.
She eats.
Oscar. He.
He eats.
Teresa. We.
We eat.
Isabel. They.
They eat.
All right. Good job, everybody.